In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use spell check in Adobe Acrobat DC. This is a handy feature when dealing with documents that require a high level of accuracy, especially if there are numerous comments and fields that contain text. So, let's dive into the process to make sure your PDFs are impeccably polished. First, you'll want to open your PDF document in Adobe Acrobat DC. Once you have your document open, you'll notice the interface is designed to be user-friendly, placing the most essential tools right at your fingertips. Now, what we want to focus on is the spell check feature, which might not be as immediately visible as some of the other tools you might use frequently. To get started, navigate to the Edit menu located at the top of your window. You'll see a drop-down menu, and from here, select Check Spelling. This will present you with several options. The one we're interested in today is Check Spelling in Comments and Fields. This option is specifically targeted to ensure that all areas containing text beyond just the main body are checked for errors. Once you've selected Check Spelling in Comments and Fields, a dialog box aptly named Check Spelling will appear. This is where the magic happens. To initiate the spell check process, simply click on the Start button within this dialog box. Now, Acrobat DC will begin scanning through the text within your document, searching specifically for words that don't match its extensive dictionary. As Acrobat DC goes through your document, it will occasionally pause upon encountering words it doesn't recognize, displaying a notification labeled Word Not Found, along with a list of suggested corrections. At this point, you have several options depending on your needs. If the word that Acrobat has flagged is correct and just unique to the document or specific usage, you can choose Ignore to skip this particular occurrence. However, if there is an error and one of the suggestions is the correct word you wish to use, you have two choices. You can choose a suggestion from the list and then click Change to replace just that one occurrence of the word. Or, if the same mistake appears multiple times, you might want to click Change All to correct every instance of the word throughout the document. This can be a real time saver if you're working on a lengthy document with repeated errors. Once you've made your way through the document and addressed all the spelling concerns, simply click Done in the dialog box to conclude the spell check process. And there you have it. You've successfully used the spell check feature within Adobe Acrobat DC to ensure your document is free from spelling errors. This feature can be incredibly powerful in maintaining professionalism and clarity in your PDFs. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and happy editing.